So, by the way, the way that you're going to play here is the way that you probably play in your school. So my offer to you is try playing here and see if it affects your joy and happiness at your school. Let's try this again. Just because you're all the way back there doesn't mean your head didn't get chopped off. Just want to let you know. Alright, cool. That's pretty good. Here's my other laser. This is going to chop your feet off. Now look around the room. Look around the room and see when your mouth goes like this and all this teeth. Is that how you start your day in your preschool? Is that how you start your day working? Or do you start with the exciting moment of circle time? Tell me what the weather's like. And like they were just came from outside. It's 9:45. And then the sun's beaming on a cloudless sky. Who's the weather helper? I am! And then the kid goes and like he's looking out the window. Now you're two alphas. That's what I talk about in reputation. The boy and the girl. The king and the queen. The one that really run your classroom. They're going, son, this is stupid. Why are we doing this? Can we do something else? And then you're thinking, no. And the other kid's like something. He's looking at the sun. He's beating into his face. And he's just like. The two alphas get up and they start running around. Circle time to them is they run around in a circle until you finish it. Okay? So if you don't have something fun and engaging in your morning, maybe try this or try something else. Okay? So.
Hey everyone, thank you so much for watching my videos. Ron Schwally here. Just wanted to say I appreciate you. Feel free to like, subscribe, and click on the bell if you want to see more videos coming your way to be alerted. Just thank you so much, and feel free to share this content with anybody who you think would find some value from this. Have an awesome, joyous, wonderful, breath-filled rest of your day.